Concordia is actually known as an accessible institution. People I've found have said, oh, you come from Concordia. You're lucky. You can get things there as a part-time student.
I think Concordia is a good university in comparison to others across Canada because you can take courses in both languages.
It gives you experience in both the technical and the theory aspect of communication.
People committed to seeing that I did well.
Concordia is different. In 12 short years, this university has stamped itself deeply into the fabric of Montreal. Concordia teaches, conducts research, performs public service, promotes culture. And Concordia performs these functions with an attention to quality and accessibility that is uniquely its own. Today, Concordia stands proudly as one of Canada's major urban universities, serving the community, the province, the nation. Concordia has earned respect for its innovative approach to higher education. Rector Patrick Kenneth believes that a university must live dangerously or die on the vine. This Concordia spirit, optimistic, forward-looking, frankly experimental, is summed up in the phrase, daring to excel, which has become the theme for the university's Capital Campaign. The Daring to Excel drive will provide new library facilities on both the West End and downtown campuses, a new center for performing arts, improved teaching and research facilities to its 4 faculties, and additional scholarships and fellowships. These objectives reflect the needs of a diverse student population. In the words of former Chancellor Earl McLaughlin, Concordia is a meeting place for people beginning, advancing, changing, returning to, or retiring from their careers. Concordia has indeed made great strides. These changes, however, have come within the framework of a larger continuity. For Concordia embodies the living traditions and rich legacies of 2 great institutions, Loyola College and Sir George Williams University. From Loyola, it inherits Cardinal Newman's ideal of a liberal education, an education valuable in and of itself. From Sir George Williams, it inherits the idea of learning as the means to a better life. The university draws strength and continuity from its Loyolan and Georgian traditions. It will not allow itself to forget where it came from or those whom it exists to serve. Concordia's present vitality lies in its teaching and research. Each year, Concordia awards more than 3,000 degrees at both graduate and undergraduate levels. Its 4 faculties, Arts and Science, Fine Arts, Commerce and Administration, Engineering and Computer Science, together offer more than 180 programs at both graduate and undergraduate levels. Concordia's research reflects the skill and diversity of the faculty who last year obtained funds for a wide range of research projects, including fiber optics, robotics, alcoholism, computer-aided design in construction, and women in business. Practical advantages of such research range from the Fluid Control Center's development of the world's first fluid oscillator, later to become the shower massage, to today's development of state-of-the-art flight simulators in conjunction with a major avionics firm. These are examples of technology transfer and how it can bring benefits to the average Canadian. Creative research at Concordia is also integrated into many innovative programs and courses. Concordia offers the only undergraduate degree in computer engineering in Quebec. It offers Quebec's only part-time executive MBA program for upper and middle management personnel. The Centre for Building Studies is unique in Canada. The Concordia Transportation Management Centre is the only such centre in Quebec. Concordia offers the only graduate diploma in sports administration. Its TESOL Center, Teaching of English as a Second Language, is the largest and most comprehensive in Canada for the training of English professors. Its School of Community and Public Affairs offers a unique undergraduate interdisciplinary approach to policy studies. It offers Quebec's only graduate diploma in ecotoxicology, the study of pollution, environmental standards, and industrial waste management. It is one of 2 universities in Quebec and the only one in Montreal with a cooperative education program. It is the only university in Quebec with a system of small interdisciplinary colleges in arts and science. It has Montreal's only journalism school. It was the first university in Quebec to have a compulsory writing test as a graduation requirement. In just a few years, Concordia has seen public acceptance blossom into public enthusiasm. Concordia is different. More and more people are finding out just how different. Concordia and Montreal are closely intertwined. The city is more than just Concordia's setting. It is the laboratory for its urban mission. Above all, it is Concordia's home, with which it feels a deep sense of community. The university's graduates are a prime source of the city's professional and business expertise. Fully 78% of all Concordia graduates work in the Montreal area. Scores of thousands of Montrealers take advantage of Concordia every year. They come to university conferences and business seminars, utilize university business counseling centers, libraries, and sports facilities, find entertainment at university art exhibitions, concerts, and film festivals. Thousands enroll in the many useful courses offered at convenient times for part-time students. In 1983, Concordia reached a crucial stage of its development. The Board of Governors decided to embark on a $25 million capital campaign, Concordia's first in its 12-year history. This amount represents the minimum needed to lift the university past current thresholds and dramatically increase its ability to be of service to Montreal, to Quebec, and to Canadian society as a whole. Concordia University has survived and succeeded because it offers solutions, benefits, and opportunities. It can continue to do so with our help. The need for additional library facilities is critical to the campaign effort. No first-rate university can progress without a strong library system, which is at the heart of academic life. New libraries at Concordia will be the equal of any in Canada and fully commensurate with the needs and capabilities of Concordia's faculty and students. The new downtown library complex will house, in addition to first-class library facilities, a cinema, new art gallery, expanded bookstore and galleria. It will add an important community facility to Montreal's thriving city center, a public building designed above all for people. At the West End Loyola campus, the expansion of the Vanier Library will effectively double its capacity as a library and provide badly needed new seminar rooms and classrooms. Another priority will be a new center for performing arts at Loyola. This modern new facility will provide teaching, rehearsal, and performance facilities for dance, drama, and music programs. Central to the enduring mission of the university is its core strength, the faculties. Concordia needs to furbish and equip laboratories, renovate classrooms, and foster faculty research and graduate studies. Strength here will produce outstanding teaching and research across all departments and disciplines. Supplemental funding for student scholarships and fellowships is a must if a Concordia education is to meet the dual standard of quality and accessibility. In addition, a Rector's Fund for Initiatives will provide initial investment support to exploit novel concepts and exciting opportunities, often interdisciplinary in character. Daring to excel symbolizes Concordia's present vitality as an institution. Daring to excel expresses a bold plan of action to meet the challenges that'll face Concordia in the coming decade and century. Daring to excel reflects the caliber of volunteer leaders who have committed their energies to the success of Concordia's $25 million development program. People like William W. Stinson, President and Chief Executive Officer of Canadian Pacific Limited. James H. Smith, President and Chief Executive Officer of Domtar Incorporated. Donald W. McNaughton, Chairman of Shenley Canada Incorporated, and Claude I. Taylor, Chairman of Air Canada. The campaign for Concordia has already attracted generous support from many corporations, foundations, and individuals, including alumni. Now it is our turn, our opportunity to invest in Concordia, and through Concordia, to invest in people. Daring to Excel has many features that make it easy and attractive to invest. Gifts may be paid over a period of 3 years or longer, are tax deductible, and can be in forms other than a check. For example, stock, life insurance, real estate, works of art. In addition, a large number of named gift and memorial opportunities are available. There will also be special recognition of all donors of $1,000 or more. The Capital Campaign staff are available to advise you on these opportunities. Through all its disciplines and departments and centers, Concordia is burgeoning with students and faculty who exemplify what we have described as a daring to excel quality. The stakes of this campaign are simple: to equip Concordia to meet the rising expectations of these achievers and the changing society they reflect.